But the biggest thing is cone cradle. Do you want to explain that, Terry?
Sure.
Okay.
So there will be a jar in the intro conclusion box, and you fill it with water. Warm tap water would work fast, but of course the classrooms do not have warm. So we put this in at 6 o'clock, so 40 minutes later, it looked like this before. We have to clean off our screen now.
And this document
for the classroom. And then when it soaks in water, it closes up tight.
And it closes pretty quickly.
So that really probably closed in half an hour. We've had it in there 40 minutes. But that just shows that if a cone is exposed to water, especially rushing down a river, until it dries out again, then it will open and then the seeds will disperse. So
or even if there's a big rainstorm or something, if the seeds are in there and they're not supposed to really go out of the cone yet, it closes up so the seeds don't wash away.
So you can use that for your introduction and conclusion. There will be some parts that touch on the cone, but we have some really cool stuff for the conclusion as well, so I don't know if you'll want to use this or not. That'll be up to you.
Predictions. Well, what do you think will happen to this cone if we put it in water? You know, this kind of stuff before you actually do something to get them thinking about it. And then also, I'm sure all of us have seen celery or a carnation. If you put food coloring in water, slowly over time, over like 3 days, it will take on that color and it'll show the capillary action. If you want to do this, it's nothing that would take a lot of time during your ELF time, but you would have to start it like 2 or 3 days ahead of time and maybe even set it in the corner of a classroom and talk to the teacher and have the kids kind of watch it as it's changing. And like I said, you can use celery or carnation.